Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do chicken curry. Let's get started. First I'm going to toast some spices. I'm putting in some coriander seeds, dry chili and cashew nut. After the spices cool down, I will put them into the grinder and grind them into powder form. I'm going to add in tomato and little coriander and grind them again. Now the masala is ready. To make the chicken curry, I'm adding in here ghee and gingerly oil. I'm adding in the spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, clove, cardamom. Now it's little toasted into the oil. I'm going to add in onions, little salt. Onions are already brown. So I'm going to add in tomato and saute this tomato until they are little soft. Now it's ready to add in potato and stir them well, let them cook for a while. After like 5 minutes, add in the chicken and ginger garlic paste. And stir them and leave it to cook. I am adding in turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, nutmeg and coriander powder. Mix the spices well. After 2-3 minutes, I am adding in masala paste which we prepared earlier. I am adding in some water for the chicken and potato to cook well. Now I am closing the lid for the curry to cook well. Now the potato and chicken are already cooked well. For the thickness, I am adding some yogurt and coriander leaves and stir them. Wait for one boil and off the stove. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.